Hi, this is Jennifer Dono at Ovaleye.com, and today I'm going to be talking to you about permalinks. So you're a WordPress user, you may host with us and you have an application of WordPress and you're starting to blog, but you don't like that default numbers and question mark look on your URL. Not only is it unfriendly for your readers, but it's also unfriendly for search engines. So if we've logged into our WordPress dashboard, you'll see this area over on the left-hand side under settings. There is a link called permalinks, and we're going to go ahead and click that, and over there you're going to see that it breaks down into a dashboard setting that we can change that structure. So it's .com/whatever. Here at my personal blog, thecloudmaven.com, I've chosen month and name. And we're going to go ahead and change that into something more custom, which if we look down further, you can see custom structure and click on that and then figure out what to put in there. You see that it's /%, a name, %/ and so on. So if I jump over to wordpress.org under their codex, I can find out a little bit more about what all that crazy little code stuff goes into. It's really not as intimidating as it looks. If you are under here, you can see the second point is the biggest one to look at as you're scrolling down. There's a lot of verbiage, but pay attention to the fact that you really shouldn't start off with the category tag author or the post name. You want to make it easier for WordPress to find your stuff, and the more work you put your database through, the worse it can be for your visitor or your reader. You want things to load quickly. So here again, you can see those tags that we were talking about: percentage, name, percentage, and we're going to use those to put in place. So if we want we want our category name to go first, we're going to use that little tag, that little piece of code, percentage, category, percentage, and so on, using the / to separate each one. If you want to use category, you have to be careful because some posts will include multiple categories that are tagged with it, and you should note that it's going to pick that lowest denominator of the categories. Each category, of course, is assigned to a number within the database, and that's another post in of itself, but just know that it's going to choose one category. So I've decided to go with year, the category, and then the post name to make everything optimized. If I'm here on, or I am here on thecloudmaven.com in a post where I have an internal link going to another post that I did before this, and voila, it still goes there. Again, WordPress did all of the work for us. We don't need any fancy plugins. We don't need anything else. We just need to know a little bit about these permalinks, and I'll include the link again at either the Ovaleye.com in the support section or under this video. Now, here you can see on our Twitter page, it's an external link where here I click on this network blog, even shortened link, and I'm able to pop back over to the original post, even though I've changed my permalinks. It's not broken. We don't have to deal with any 404 links. This is, of course, the newest version of WordPress, and you want to make sure that you've backed up your blog before you upgrade into the newest version. So if you have any further questions, check out Ovaleye.com. Under the support tab, we do have a forum, we have webinars, and a few other different ways to find out more about really making your WordPress blog work for you.